Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Adobe Acrobat account. Whether you need to access your documents, edit PDFs, or manage your subscription, getting signed in is your first step to unlocking all of Adobe's powerful tools. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to adobe.com. This is Adobe's main homepage where you'll find access to all their creative applications and services. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking Sign In, you'll be taken to the Login page where Adobe provides you with several convenient options to access your account. This flexibility means you can choose the method that works best for you. The most straightforward approach is to enter your email address and password directly into the fields provided. This is the traditional method if you created your Adobe account using your email. However, Adobe also understands that many users prefer streamlined access through their existing accounts. That's why you'll notice options to continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple. These social sign-in options can save you time and eliminate the need to remember yet another password. For this tutorial, let's say you want to use your Google account. Simply click on Continue with Google. When you select this option, you'll be redirected to Google's authentication page. Here, you may need to choose which Google account you want to use if you have multiple accounts signed in. Select the appropriate account and allow the necessary permissions for Adobe to connect with your Google credentials. This process is secure and ensures that your accounts remain protected while giving you quick access. Once you've successfully authenticated through Google, you'll be automatically signed in and returned to the Adobe homepage. Now that you're logged in, you can access all the Adobe services tied to your account. To specifically access Adobe Acrobat, look at the top toolbar of the page. You should see various product names and options listed there. Click on Acrobat from this toolbar. This will take you directly to the Adobe Acrobat interface, where you can start working with PDFs immediately. You'll have access to all your saved documents, recent files, and the full suite of Acrobat tools for creating, editing, converting, and managing PDF files. And that's it. You're now signed in and ready to use Adobe Acrobat for all your PDF needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.